A guaranteed stop-loss order, GSLO, gives you 100% certainty that you will be closed out of a trade at an exact price specified by you, regardless of market volatility or gapping. To add a GSLO to a new or existing trade, select it in the stop-loss menu. The margin required for a GSLO will vary depending on trade size and the product type, and is displayed above the Place Order button. Beneath the margin, we display the premium, which is based on the order size. Once you've placed a GSLO, you will be able to view it in the Positions tab underneath trades placed using standard margin. You can close out each position individually, but if you want to adjust or close all GSLOs or other product types, you can do so in the respective aggregated rows. Some final things to keep in mind. GSLOs are not available on all instruments. They can only be placed in normal trading hours. They must be placed a minimum distance away from the current market price. And the extra security of GSLOs come at a small premium. If you remove a GSLO before it is triggered, you will receive a full refund of the premium back into your account. If you would like GSLOs applied as a default, set this up via Order Settings.